today, folks, I'm sitting with my buddy Bob again. Say hi, Bob.
Hi. I'm driving my own car this time.
Driving his own car this time. Yeah, I'm not driving this time. We're doing what year is this?
This is a 56 or 57. I think it's a 57.
57 Volkswagen Beetle.
Yeah.
This is a really fun car. It's just a beautiful car. And he was just telling me this wonderful story about the first Beetle they ever got. Go ahead and tell me that story, Bob.
Well, it was the first thing I ever saw that was a Beetle. And I looked at the car and I thought, what the hell is that thing? And so we had to do a whole thing. So we opened the back up, the front, the back of the car, and well, it doesn't have a motor then. So it says, no, that's the motor.
So the motor's in the back of this one, if you guys don't know anything about Volkswagens.
Right. So then he says, well, you know, okay, that's what it is, and for real, it is a real good car, see? And then we open up the hood because that's where the gas tank was. So we got the car running, and we drove around a little bit, you know, and then his dad had to go back to work. So
yeah.
So that was my first Volkswagen event.
And you told me it was one of the first 4 ever in the city of Chicago?
Right.
Wow, that's impressive. One of the first 4 Volkswagens ever in Chicago, and Bob owned one. That's really cool. I'm gonna show you guys the interior. This one's just like the other one. It's very simple. I love this one. This one actually can do 90 versus the Model A we did the other day. That thing, woohoo, 45 top speed.
Yes.
This is actually quite roomy. Not for me. I mean, for me even it is. But you can see my legs the way they have to go like this.
Yep.
But that's okay. It's actually a really comfortable car for being as small as it is. I've always loved a Volkswagen Beetle. Not the ones nowadays, but the old ones, because that was, I think, before they were ever owned by Porsche. But who knows? Volkswagen owns Porsche. Never mind, don't mind me. I don't know what I'm talking about sometimes. I get confused. But yeah, Volkswagen owns just about everything nowadays. They own Bugatti, they own Lamborghini, they own anyways. So yeah. So you know they have really good powerhouses in them. And I'll show you this thing here in just a little bit. All right, so this is the Beetle that we're looking at. This is a really fun car. It rides very similar to a bug walking across the ground. There's no doubt about that. The ride's not the most comfortable, but it is actually kind of roomy. Can't fit a whole family in here, but I've seen a lot of people do it. This one is obviously not stock or original, but it's a lot. Are those original wheels?
No.
No, okay, I didn't think so. I say those don't look original, but yeah, this is a really nice car. Got a good clean interior on it, and the engine, like Bob was saying, is in the back. Where's that engine at? Let's see if we can find that.
We can find it.
Well, we can find it. There you go.
There it is.
If you ever buy a Porsche, it's powerhoused by one of these, believe it or not. So they are very similar in style and performance. Volkswagen builds an amazing engine that just lasts forever. And this thing is just so cute. It's adorable. I love it. I've always wanted a Beetle, but like I told you in one of my previous videos, I'd chop the top, I'd lower it, I'd do something stupid with the doors, and that would only be a rust bucket. Something this beautiful, you keep it clean, keep it original. So, yeah. How long have you had this one, Bob?
This is the last one.
Okay, how long have you had it?
Golly, I really don't know.
Don't know. Been that long, huh?
Yeah, that long.
That long?
A lot of it's different in the back end. See, we've got speakers, we've got things there where the girls they like to use these cars with my little girls.
Oh, okay.
They'd all sit back there.
Oh, there you go.
But that was a different Beetle.
Different Beetle, okay.
So you know that was just a car.
And Bob works. Oh, there you go. That's how you do it, right there. Got your gas tank right there, and then you got your spare tire. And Bob works on all of his own cars, so you did all the restoration on this, or?
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did. That's awesome. You did. How many?
I worked on a lot of these things.
A lot of these things. You love your Beetles, huh?
I do.
You do. You definitely do. And Model A's and Bob has had some fun toys over the years. I've known Bob since I was, oh God, 11, 10 or 11. Wow, it's been a long time since I've known Bob. I grew up with him, and just absolutely amazing man, great man in the community, does a lot with churches and charities and everything else. And on that note, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Go ahead and share with all your friends, leave a comment, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching. Couldn't end the video on that note. Bob convinced me to drive. So now I'm driving a Beetle. Oh, I get to drive a Beetle. This is so cool.